At Quanex, our innovation is matched only by our commitment to quality. It's been that way since 1927, and we continue to advance our R&D and quality control to create revolutionary products. Products like Superspacer, the all-foam, no-metal dual-seal spacer system that delivers proven long-term durability and thermal performance. Superspacer is manufactured using state-of-the-art Quanex equipment and Lean Six Sigma techniques. We currently have nearly 20 Superspacer production lines at 3 facilities worldwide, and we're constantly honing our process to ensure every foot of Superspacer is of the highest quality. Its all-foam technology means Superspacer has optimal flexibility. It expands and contracts with wind, rain, and other weather conditions, but always returns to its original shape, preventing cracks, leaks, and seal failure, all while providing condensation resistance and energy efficiency. Get premium durability with Superspacer.